Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 27/10/2020. I am teaching you chapter number 20. And the name of the chapter is Birth of a Nation. So, student, in 1947, 15th August 1947, our country get the freedom from the British rule. So, when we get the freedom, 15th August, so student, 15th August 1947, our country get the freedom from the British rule. But even after the freedom, still the country, our country was facing, our country was facing lot of problems. I have already discussed with you that before the freedom, India is divided into very small state. So even after getting the freedom from the British rule, our country still facing lot of problems. Now student, even at that time there are few states who don't want to join our country, and the main problem, or you can say a big challenge among the leaders of the India, to to how they will form the government, the duties and rights of the people, and the laws to be followed by the people. So note down some things from the board. Facing problem, another problem, form of government, duties and rights of the rights of the people laws laws to be followed by the people. So student, even after getting freedom 15 August 1947 from the British government, still our country is facing lot of problem. Reason is that India is a very big country, and it is divided into this, which I have already discussed you in previous chapter also, that our country is divided into in very small regions. ठीक है, India is divided into very small regions. Now after getting the freedom from the British rule, we are still facing the problem. What are the problems? How to form the government? Okay, because India is very big country, and population is also very large. Now it is very challenging among the leaders of the India ki how they form the government, and what are the duties and what are the rights of the people who are living in the country. So it, because government have to decide all these things, कि what are the duties of the citizen of India and what are their rights. And laws means laws to be followed by the peoples. तो लॉ क्या होता है बेटा? कोई कानून बनाना, ठीक है, जिसको सारे लोग फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल द पीपल. ऐसा नहीं है कि दिस इज फॉर सम पीपल्स. नो, इफ यू आर लिविंग इन इंडिया, if you are the citizen of the our country India, so laws to be followed by the people. So what law we have to made that the all the people of India follow that laws. So after the freedom, these are the problems. ठीक है, and India is a very big country. It is divided into many states. It is divided into many small parts, and population is also very large. So what type of a government? That is one problem. What are the duties and rights of the people? That is another. And what laws to be followed by the people of the country. So these are the problems which we are facing at that time after the independence. Now our constitution. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मीन्स है बेटा, ये हमारा संविधान है. ठीक है, इसी में लॉज बनाए गए हैं, एंड वी आर फॉलोइंग ऑल दिस लॉज. सो नाउ एट दैट टाइम स्टूडेंट, द लीडर्स डिसाइडेड टू फॉर्म ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली. ठीक है, उन्होंने एक विधानसभा बनाई. अब वो डिसाइड करेगी कि व्हाट इज द what we have to prepare a draft of the constitution. ठीक है, so it was prescribed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, our first president. So who prescribed this to prepare a draft of the constitution? ठीक है, तो इसे किसने निर्धारित किया था उस समय? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र and student, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of our country also. Who was the first prime minister? The first prime minister is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And who was the president of the first president of our country? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Is it clear? Now student, and who was the chairman of the drafting committee? So Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Chairman so who prescribed draft of the constitution? That is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And who was the chairman? Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? The chairman of the drafting committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So, student, after a long debates and discussion, our constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. See student, it take a long time. Okay, it take very long time to form the constitution of the India, because we get the independence in 1947. And which year we formed the constitution of the India? That is 26 January 1950. 26 January 1950, the constitution of India was adopted. Our constitution was adopted. Our constitution was adopted on 26th January 1950. So student, in which year our constitution was adopted? So our constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. So student, you can say more than 2 years has been taken to form the constitution of our country. So it gives the laws to govern our nations. Laws I have already told you. Laws means होता है बेटा क्या रूल्स, क्या कानून बनाए जाएंगे जिसको सब लोग इंडिया में जो रहते हैं दे ऑल फॉलो डैट. ठीक है. सो इट गेव अस द लॉज टू गवर्न आवर नेशन. So the main ideas of the constitution were written in the preamble. So the 4 important points of our constitution are, that is sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. These are the 4 main important points of our constitution. So एक क्विक रिकैप्चुलेशन कर लेते हैं जितना इतना पढ़ाया, उसके बाद लेट डिस्कस व्हाट इज द इंट्रोडक्शन गिवन इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो स्टूडेंट, इन 1947 15th August 1947 we got the freedom from the British rule, and after getting the freedom, see, the country is divided into very small parts, and the population of India is also very large population. So even after getting the freedom, the leaders of the country, they are still facing lot of problems how to govern the nation. ठीक है, what rules and laws they have to. So at that time it is very challenging for the leaders of the countries to decide what are the duties and rights of the people who are living in our country. So after that I explain you Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of our country, India. Okay, so and who was the chairman of the drafting committee? So chairman of the drafting committee was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And student, it take more than 2 years to form a constitution of our country. So 26 January 1950 our constitution was adopted. कब constitution को follow किया गया? Our constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. And what are the 4 main points of our constitution are? The 4 main points of the constitution are: sovereign, democracy, socialist and secular. These are the 4 main points of our constitution. And what is a constitution? A constitution is a, what is constitution? A constitution is a set of laws to rule a country. Is it clear? What is constitution? A constitution is a set of laws to rule a country. ठीक है, laws मतलब होता है कानून बनाना. law मतलब होता है बेटा कानून बनाना. ठीक है, तो what is a constitution? A constitution is a set of laws to rule a country. So that is known as constitution. Okay, now what are the 4 main points given in the constitution? That are: democracy, four main points given in the constitution are democracy. So what does it means? See, in India, how we choose the government. So people of the India decided the government. So government is made by the people and for the people. So see student, the people who are living in this country, so they give the votes and they choose their leader. So that is the reason democracy, it means a government made up of the people. So by the people and for the people, it means how we choose the leaders. So the method of choosing the leader is by giving the vote. Okay, so and even it is decided also, anyone whose age is 18 or above 18, they can give the vote in the election. ठीक है, any person whose age is 18 or whose age is above 18 can give the vote at the time of a election. So government, so the government which is formed, that is formed by the people. Is it clear? So ऐसा नहीं है कि लीडर्स अपने में ही पार्टी डिसाइड कर लेते हैं एंड दे गवर्न द and they form the government. No. So government, how these are the peoples of India who choose the government. Is it clear? Next point, sovereigns means so sovereign, what it means? It means as we are not ruled by other country. Okay, now we got the freedom from the British rule in 15th August 1947. So now our country is not ruled by any another country. ठीक है, अब हमको फ्रीडम मिल गई 1947 15th अगस्त. नाउ आवर कंट्री इज नॉट रूल्ड बाय एनी अदर कंट्री. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड सवरिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सोशलिस्ट. So what does it means? Every citizen is treated as an equal and there is no difference between the people because of caste and religion. So student, these are the social evils in the society. Before we get the freedom, that we have already discussed in the previous chapters also. People's suffer, lot of people suffer due to these social evils in the society. So student, after getting the freedom, so this thing is mentioned in the constitution also, कि every citizen is treated equal. Okay, every citizen means the person who is living in the country India, every person is treated as an equal and there is no difference between the people due to caste or religion. Because see student, in our country, people living here are of different religions. So there is no difference between the peoples due to the caste and religions, because in our country people belonging to different religions are living together. So what are the social evil in the societies in the past time? That people suffer, lot of people suffers due to caste system also and due to religion. So it is written in the constitution that there should be no difference among the people due to caste or religion. Next is the secular. So student, see, in India all religions are respected and treated as equal. Okay, so people belonging to, ऐसा नहीं है कि बेटा सबसे ज़्यादा इंडिया में क्या हिंदूज हैं, ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. द पीपल दोज हु आर बिलोंगिंग टू डिफरेंट रिलीजन, so we are not giving equality to them. So secular means respect for all the religions. ऐसा नहीं है कि सबसे ज्यादा कंट्री में हिंदूज हैं, इंडिया इज अ, सो वी शुड गिव मोर emphasis on the religion Hindu. ऐसा नहीं है. So equality is given to all the religions. Okay, so all religions are respected and treated as equal in our country, that is India. So now see student, what is a constitution? A constitution is a set of laws to rule a country. What is a constitution? So ऐसे कानून बना लिए गए जिसको everyone who is living or who is the citizen of country India, they all will follow these rules and laws. So that is known as our constitution. And the four main points of the constitution are democracy. It means what the government which is formed, that is formed by the people of our country. Is it clear? So, and what is the method? Method is that people who are living in this country whose age is 18 or above 18, they can give the vote at the time of a election and choose their leaders. Is it clear? Then next is sovereign. What does mean? It means that now we get the freedom from the British rule, and in the present time our country is not ruled by any other country. Is it clear? Next, socialist. So student, everyone person who are living in India, they are equal and there should be no difference due to the caste or caste system or religions. Okay, because these are the social evils in the past. Secular all religions are respected and treated as equal in India. So it is, so any people, whether it is belonging to any religions, so full freedom is given to all of them, and all the religions are treated equal. Thank you, student.